We are at our Volunteer Partner and Donor Appreciation Dinner. It's an annual event that we hold to celebrate our volunteers, donors, and partners in the community. Our volunteers have contributed over 5,300 volunteer hours last fiscal year, equating to $180,000, which is huge for the county. Saves us so much money, and to be able to help us to do this very important work of making an impact and helping to prevent child abuse.
Protecting children, our most vulnerable citizens, to me is so important. And what I get out of it is a sense of doing something that matters. There are a lot of good opportunities for volunteering. So you have to find something that really speaks to you the most.
It really is the way to get involved in your community. I would encourage anyone that has the free time to be able to do that. It's really easy to do. We all have some strengths and skills to offer, and there's always a need. So oftentimes people are busy. They may not have the time to volunteer, but they can help the Department of Family Services by providing donations. They could go to Fairfax County government website and just search for volunteer and partner services or child abuse prevention services.